So, hello, good day. Ang next topic natin ngayon is the Module 2. Kasi tapos na natin yung Module 1. Ang title ng Module 2 natin is Traffic Management. So, ano nga ba ang Traffic Management? Sabi dito, Traffic management is the best understood by understanding the following common use word and terminology. So dito natin malalaman kung ano yung mga iba't ibang word about traffic or iba't ibang terminologies ng traffic management. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na general and specific. Pag sinabi natin general, yan na yung common. Pag sinabi nating highway, yan yung dinadaanan ng mga sasakyan. Pag sinabi naman nating streets, yan yung mga nasa barangay lang na yes, roadway siya pero nasa barangay lamang ito. Hindi gaya sa highway, yan ay connected sa cities or municipalities. And next tayo, arterial, highway, or roads. Pag sinabi nating arterial, highway, these are highly capacity urban roads that direct traffic from collector roads to expressway or freeway. It is also refers to highway. So, ang arterial highway, ito yung tinatawag nating highway na connected sa mga expressway or freeway. Pag sinabi nating freeway, yan yung malaya kang makakapag-drive ng motorcycle. Pero, meron pa ring rules and regulation na dapat nating sundin sa laws about traffic management. And next naman, articulate vehicle. Pag sinabi nating articulate vehicle, it means a combination of vehicles comprise a motorcycle and semi-trailer. Ito yung connected ay magkakadugtong-dugtong na sasakyan. For example, yung truck. Tapos meron na naman siyang nakadugtong na trailer. Yun. Send ko na lang yung picture or i-attach ko na lang dito para maintindihan nyo kung ano yung articulate vehicle. And build up area, it refers to an area with entries and exit, especially signposted as such otherwise defined in domestic legislation. For example, yung mga nakikita natin sa roadway na di ba minsan merong signage na 30, ibig sabihin nun 30 lang yung dapat mong patakbo. Or for example, yung mga patakbo ng motor or bilis ng motor mo. Kasi meron yung mga prone area na accident prone area. Kaya naglalagay sila ng signage doon. And also, meron din yung mga signage na entry and exit. For example na lang sa mga hospital. Di ba para pag dumating yung ambulansya is doon lang siya e-entry, hindi yung meron pang mga sagabal na e-exit na, meron pang mag-e-entry. No. Merong naka-designate na for entry lang and for exit. And next tayo, carriageway. Yan yung tinatawag nating road normally used by vehicle traffic or also known as roadway. Yan yung dinadaanan ng mga sasakyan. And next, collector highway. It is also known as collector road or distributor road, which connect low to moderate highway or road to arterial highway such as those entering residential properties. It is also refers to a highway that serves primarily funnel traffic from one location highway to another or between arterial and local highway. I-attach ko na lang din yung picture ng collector highway para maintindihan nyo kung ano ito. Ito kasi yung di ba nasa roadway kayo o nasa highway kayo. Tapos biglang lilipat kayo ng ibang lane or basta i-attach ko na lang, mahirap i-explain pag walang picture. And combination of vehicles. It means couple vehicles which travel on the road as a unit. Send ko na lang din yung O2s or i-attach ko na lang dito. Cycle. It means any vehicle which has at least 2 wheels. Pag sinabi nating cycle, ito yung merong 2 wheels. Pwedeng 2 wheels, ang tawag doon, motorcycle or bike. Bicycle. Next, direction of traffic and appropriate to the direction of traffic means the right hand side or sa right side ng road, kailangan mong pa-overtakein yung kapag nasa right side ka, pwede silang mag-overtake sa left side mo. For example, four-way lane. So, yun, 4-way lane. So, dapat ang mga motorcycle is laging nasa right side. Kasi meron yung mga mabibilis sa sasakyan na mag-overtake. Kaya dapat lagi tayong nasa right side para free sila na mag-overtake sa left side. Domestic legislation. It is the entire body of national or local laws and regulation enforced in the territory. Driver. Pag sinabi nating driver, ito yung person who drives a motor vehicle or other vehicle. Sila yung nagda-drive ng mga sasakyan. Or who guide cattle. Or sila yung mga nagga-guide. For example na lang yung mga kalabaw, di ba? Or mga kabayo. Merong nakasakay para sila yung mag-guide or mag-guide ng direction para doon sa mga hayop. And give way. It means that the driver must not continue or resume his advance or maneuver. Ibig sabihin, kung merong palabas sa intersection, paunahin mo muna sila, mag-give way ka. Paano na lang kung emergency, di ba? Kaya mag-stop ka or not continue to maneuver highway. It means the entire width between the boundary lines of every way dedicated to public authority when any parts of the way is open to the use of public for purposes of vehicular traffic. Ang highway tinatawag nating road, street, or boulevard, or avenue, used as public thoroughfare. So, intersection. It means any level or crossroad, junction, or fork, including the open area formed by such crossroad, junction, or fork. Pag sinabi natin intersection, ito yung mga, for example, yung dyan sa M. Soriano, yung tawag doon yung maliit na daan, pwedeng papunta sa CSI or pwedeng papunta sa M. Soriano dito sa school. Laden weight. It means the actual weight of vehicle as loaded. So, ang ibig sabihin ng laden weight, ito yung laden weight, ito yung actual weight ng isang sasakyan. Laden weight, ito yung actual weight ng isang vehicle. For example, yung mga trailer truck. Siguro mga 750 kilo, yung mga ganon. And lane naman, ito yung nagdi-divide sa mga daan or sa roadway. Ayan yung merong white lane, yellow lane. Yan yung mga tinatawag nating lane. na kapag putol-putol yung lane, pwede kang mag-overtake. Or kung nasa right side lang yung putol-putol na lane, ay sila lang yung pwedeng mag-overtake. Kung sa left side is straight yellow lane, hindi sila pwedeng mag-overtake. Next naman, level crossing. It means any level intersection between a road and a railway or tramway track on its own track formation. So, ito yung for example, yung sa mga subdivision area, di ba bago ka makapasok doon, meron silang hinaharang na parang, di ko alam kung minsan kahoy or bakal, tapos check muna nila yung mga ID mo, and then kapag na-check na nila na doon ka talaga nakatira or residence ka doon sa area na yon, is itataas nila yon at padadaanin ka na nila. Yan yung level crossing. Light trailer. Ito naman yung this means any trailer of a permissive maximum weight not exceeding 750 kg. So, pag sinabi nating lightweight, ito lang yung mga magagaan na sasakyan. Management. It refers to the skillful use of means to accomplish a purpose. Map. It means any two-wheel or three-wheel vehicle which is fitted with an internal combustion engine having a cylinder capacity not exceed 50 cc and a maximum design speed not exceed 50 km per hour. So, pag sinabi nating map, yan yung mga two wheels or three wheels. Motorcycle, very common, di ba? Lahat naman tayo merong motorcycle. Ito naman yung two-wheeled vehicle with or without sidecar. Motor vehicle, pag sinabi nating motor vehicle, any kind of sasakyan, mapamotor man yan or mapa-car or truck o kahit anong sasakyan meron kayo. Ano yung mga hindi natin pwedeng i-consider as vehicle? Yan yung mga agricultural tractor which are only incidental use for carrying person or goods. Kasi nga, pangbukid lamang siya, hindi siya matatawag na motor vehicle. Kasi pag sinabi natin motor vehicle, yan yung mga carrying person, goods, or anything. Pero hindi nga natin matatawag na vehicle ang agricultural tractor from the word agricultural tractor. Ibig sabihin, pangbukid lamang ito, hindi siya hindi siya pwede sa mga roadway na normal na sasakyan. Dumadaan sila sa roadway, pero hindi sila yung normal na vehicle na para talaga sa tao at para sa mga pagkain or mag-deliver ng goods. Motorway. Motorway means a road specially designed and built for motor traffic, which does not serve properties bordering on it, and which first it is provided except at a special point or temporary with a separate carriageway for the two direction of traffic, separate from each other either by dividing strip not intended for traffic or exceptional by other means, and does not cross at level with any road or railway, tramway, track, or footpath, is especially signposted as motorway. Operation pertain to a course or series of acts to effect a certain purpose, manner of action, or a vital and natural process of activity. And next tayo, park. Park is a vehicle said to be parked if they stationary for the period during which the vehicle is not limited to the time need to pick up and set down person or goods. So, dito sila nagpa-park. So, pag sinabi nating park, ito yung magpa-park ka ng sasakyan mo or ilalagay mo yung sasakyan mo sa safe na place na alam mong walang mangingialam or hindi bawal mag-park doon. Kasi nga, pwedeng nag-grocery ka or pwedeng may inaantay kang tao or pwedeng yung kasama mo nag-CR lang, so nag-park ka muna saglit or nag-park ka doon para magawa mo yung mga bagay na ginagawa. For example, dito sa atin, meron tayong parking area. Sa mga mall, meron din silang parking area. Sa mga bahay, meron din silang parking area. And permissive maximum weight, it means the maximum weight of the laden vehicle declared permissive by the competent authority of the state. So, di ba napapansin nyo, meron yung mga tulay na ganito lang ang nakalagay doon is 50 kilogram or tons ng sasakyan lang ang pwedeng makadaan doon sa tulay na yon. Power-driven vehicle. It means any self-propelled road vehicle other than mope of the territory contracting parties which do not treat mope as motor cycle. Yun nga, yun sabi kanina na ang mga agricultural tractor ay hindi pwedeng i-consider as vehicle. Roadway. It includes, pag sinabi nating roadway, refers to an entire surface of any street open to public traffic. It is also include shoulder. Pag sinabi natin shoulder, ito yung pwede mong daanan or ito lang yung, ang tawag doon? Pag sinabi natin shoulder, dito dapat laging nakapwesto yung mga single or motorcycle. Nasa shoulder lang dapat sila kasi yung mga four wheels yan, masyadong mainit. Hindi sa mainitan ng ulo. Siyempre, nag-aapura sila. Or merong emergency, dapat nasa shoulder lang. Lalo kapag mabagal ang mga motorcycle, dapat talaga nasa gilid lang sila. Kasi merong mga taong nag-aapura, merong emergency, or merong mga appointment na pupuntahan. And sidewalk. Ito naman yung pwedeng daanan ng mga tao. So, meron tayong 5 na road. Meron tayong national road. These are road or street interconnecting provinces or cities. Pag sinabi nating national road, yan yung connected sa iba't ibang province or cities. Pag provincial road naman, yan yung mga connected sa mga iba't ibang municipalities or cities within a province. City road naman, connected sa mga barangay within a cities. Municipal road, connected within barangay. Connected sa barangay within a municipality. Next is barangay road. These are road, street located within the barangay, which connect sitios or place within a barangay. So, road user. It shall means any person using the road, including driver, pedestrian, cyclists, and commuters. Roadway refers to any part of traffic way over which vehicle pass. Rural road. Meron tayong speed limit kapag ikaw ay nasa rural road. Yan ay 60 km per hour. Although there are high-speed road in the urban area, for the purpose of line marking, they are defined as rural road. Semi-trailer. It means any trailer designed by coupled to a motor vehicle in such way that part of its rests on the motor vehicle and substantial part of its way. Next meron tayong shoulder. Yan yung sinabi ko kanina na dapat yung mga mababagal na sasakyan, nandyan sila sa shoulder. And meron naman tayong tinatawag na sidewalk. On the other side of the highway, which has shoulder, a sidewalk is a portion of highway between the outside lateral line of the shoulder and adjacent property lines capable of being used by a pedestrian. On the other side of the highway, which has no shoulder, a sidewalk is the portion of a highway between the lateral line of the roadway and the adjacent property line capable of being used as pedestrian. Standing. A vehicle is said to be standing if the stationary for the time need to pick up or set down person or to load or unload goods. Through highway. It means every highway or portion thereof on which vehicular traffic is given the right of way, at the entrance of which vehicular traffic intersecting. Highways refers by law to yielding right of way to vehicles on such through highway in obedience to either the authorized stop sign or yield sign or other official traffic control device. Throughway. Yung throughway naman, it is a highway that has limited entrance and exit, such as expressway, freeway, or motorway. Kapag nandyan ka, mabibilis yung mga sasakyan dyan, kaya limited lang yung mga merong entrance and exit. At kapag ikaw ay nasa expressway, hindi ka na makakabalik. For example, nalagpasan mo na yung Jollibee. Hindi ka na pwedeng mag-U-turn. Next is traffic. Pag sinabi natin traffic, it is a movement of person or goods or vehicle either powered by combustion system or animal drawn from one place to another for the purpose of travel. Next, traffic way refers to enter with between boundary line of every way or place of which any part is open to use of the public for the purposes of vehicular traffic as a matter of right or custom. It is synonymous to public way or roadway. Trailer.